What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Mark again from the Rooted Progress, and today we are on our way to go pick up our solar setup from Badluckoverland. So he hit me up a couple days ago saying that he had my package all ready to go. So we are now on our way to the bank to go pick up some cash to go ahead and purchase that setup. Now, we've been waiting for this for quite a while, mainly just due to financial situations, prioritizing needs and things that we need to buy for the Outback, along with family stuff going on. So I haven't really had the chance to really vlog for you guys or make another video. So today I'm taking you guys along with me for this ride and just showing you guys what I get, you know, because there's a ton of options that you guys could go ahead and look into. But I think that what Tony has set up for us is gonna fit our needs as far as off-road and overlanding goes. Tony has like one of the best deals ever, so we're gonna go ahead and pull out that cash right now and meet up with Tony and check out the products. Stay tuned.
This is the charge can combo kit. I offer this to people that don't want to do a permanent installation of solar onto their vehicle, but they still want to be able to keep their vehicle battery topped off all the time when they're out there camping, because nothing's worse than having a dead battery, especially if you're running fridges or charging cameras or whatever it is. So I created this kit so that way you can actually charge up all of your stuff 100% of the time while you're out there, as long as the sun is out, right? So there's two main components to the system. One is your solar panel, and this is a foldable panel. It's a 95 watt panel. This comes from Merlin Solar. And then we also have the charge can system that we're gonna use to connect the solar over to here. And then we'll be able to monitor all the production that we're getting using a Bluetooth app on your phone. All right, so here is the solar panel right here, and it's a briefcase style. It does have legs all the way around, which is helpful for getting a good sun angle, and everything closes into itself, which is super helpful. The connector is right here, and then it's a tri-fold design, so it will open up into 3 separate sections. So we're going to go ahead and kick these legs out on the back, so that way we can get a good angle of the sun here. Boom, there we go. In order to connect this solar panel to your vehicle battery, we have the charge can unit here. So it's inside of a ammo can, nice and supported, nice and sturdy. We do give you a sticker with the order. The charge controller is by Victron Energy, so there's a manual in here. And then there's also full color instructions on how to actually install everything. And it comes all in the kit here. On the top of the unit, you'll see that each side is clearly labeled. One side is going to go to your vehicle battery, and the other side is going to go to your solar panel right here. There's a voltage indicator right here that will tell you what your battery voltage is currently and what it's charging at. We also have 2 USB cable ports right here, and we also have a cigarette lighter adapter. So if you wanted to, you could even add one of those adapters that has 2 more of these. You could have 4 total. It's really up to you, however you want to do it. Included in the kit is also all the connectors that you need to get this thing fired up on your vehicle. Step number 1, we want to connect the battery and give this thing some power. So open that side up, it's clearly marked, and we're going to take these 2 and connect them to your vehicle battery. Connect the negative side on your negative of your battery, positive on the other side. So now you'll see we actually are reading that your battery currently is at 12.8 volts. And this will always show your voltage all the time. The rest of the information we'll actually get from the app, which is cool. Now step 2, we just connect the solar. So we have an adapter here. Can't mess it up, it only goes one way. And then this goes into the solar side of the system. Nice. Now you can see that already, without even looking at the app, that your voltage has already gone up to 13.6. So without even looking at the application on your phone, you know that this battery is already starting to charge from the sun, which is awesome. So we're going to open up the Victron Connect app, and we can see we already are showing his charge controller right here. I already nicknamed it for him, so we'll go ahead and click on that guy. It's going to log in. And so now you can see we're pulling 80 watts from the solar panel and charging up this battery. It's always going to do this. So you can click this and it will tell you that you don't want to change the pin code. You can change it. It's up to you.
Okay.
Cool. So 80 watts. So right up here at the top is the solar. It'll tell you what the voltage is from the solar panel, what the amperage is, and it's also going to tell you what your battery voltage is, which we can see on the unit as well over here. It'll tell you how much amperage is going through, and then what kind of charging it is. Right now it's in bulk charging, so this battery needs as much power as it can get. And there's 3 different stages of charging. You can look at that stuff online, or if you have further questions about that, let me know, but I can walk all through all that with you guys. Bulk charging is, hey, we really need to fill this battery up. Absorption means we're getting towards the top, and then float means that we're just keeping the battery topped off. And at the bottom, this will tell you exactly how much power you're drawing off of your USB ports or your cigarette lighter port, which is cool.
Okay.
Over here, this is the history section. Since it's new, there's really no history on here. So it will tell you exactly how much time you spent charging up that battery, how high the battery got up to, and then how low of charge the battery was. And it'll tell you how much power you consumed off of these ports right here. Cool. And we can actually charge off of this thing too at the same time while we're sitting out here charging from the sun, which is great. I mean, you can even throw it in there if you want.
Yes. All right, guys, so we just finished up with checking out Tony's solar system. Besides just that, today we also have to go check out a car that I'm interested in purchasing for my father-in-law. My father-in-law's vehicle was parked across the street from our complex, and some guy hit it, completely smashed it, totaled it, and we don't know who it was. It was a complete hit and run that resulted in a total loss of our vehicle. So we're still working with insurance to get our to have them pay us out, but with the COVID situation happening, they don't have anybody in the office that's going to receive our title, so they have to basically get us to sign online for them to receive the document on my behalf. Excited to check this car out, so yeah, show you guys in a bit. My dad is interested in Subarus, so we might get another Subaru for the channel, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out, guys. So I'll show you some of that if the guy is comfortable with me showing his car on the vlog. So yeah.